Okay, this drill is called dribble under the rope. We use a stretch rope, and then our young men will dribble the basketball, and they will go under it first, head first, then the second time through they'll go feet first. And we want them to get down on the floor and get used to the floor. We want them harder than the floor. Go! That's all right. Ready, go. Stay down, go down. That's good. Way to keep the dribble. Bring it back. Head first. Head first. That's good. That's good. Good. Excellent. Good. All right. Ready? We're going feet first. Keep your dribble alive. Ready, go. Feet first. Yeah, I love it. I love it. No cheating, Dustin. Jason. Very good. Ready, go. Feet first. Good. Keep it alive. Excellent. Excellent. Good job. Great job.